Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Volkswagen Tiguan guys, and if you have one third generation from year 2007 to 2017 guys, and you're trying to remove guys or replace the side curtain airbags, stay with us guys, we'll explain what needs to be done. That's what we'll be covering today. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. On that Volkswagen Tiguan, probably we'll have close to 300-400 repair videos. And why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys need any tools or parts that we use in our videos, we'll share the links for that in the description of the video below. Okay, so please guys check it out, all that will be shared there. Now let me show you what needs to be done, okay, to remove the headliner, or if you need to to remove the side airbags, or if you need to replace side airbags guys. Now you will need to remove your headliner guys, okay, the whole thing will need to come out. And if you want to see the video, we have it on the channel guys, and we'll share the link, okay, in the description of the video below. But if you don't find it, if you cannot find it, just search on our channel for Volkswagen Tiguan headliner removal, and we have the whole video that explains everything, how it needs to be removed, why you need to remove it. Simply because guys, you have two airbags, as you can see, side curtain airbags, one right there and one on the driver's side, okay, right here. So once you guys remove the headliner, okay, and even before you start removing the headliner, you have to have your car battery disconnected guys at least 1 hour before the repair. And if you're not qualified to work on airbags, okay, consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video guys, because airbags can kill you guys. So if you're not certified and qualified, don't do the repairs guys. Now let me get in so I can show you what we'll be doing here. This is guys the side airbag. Car battery has been disconnected, okay. Now you're going to have a few places where it holds with clips. One clip here, then you have one clip there that you need to disconnect, another clip here, one more there, okay. Now these handles, this is for the handles on the headliner, so those stay in, okay, you don't remove them. And then you come towards the back guys, that's where the action is happening, okay. You will need to disconnect your wire, okay. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Let me grab a small screwdriver and I'll go to the other side. And right here guys, you're going to have, before we disconnect the wire, check it out, I want to show you quick. You have one nut here for the airbag, and then you have another nut, okay, over there with a 10mm. So those are the nuts that you need to remove. If you want to disconnect the airbag, okay, all you have to do, never ever use metal tools like I do, but you need to start getting that orange piece loose, okay, and then lift it up a little bit. Okay, let me see, okay, like that. Now you need to pull it a little bit more, don't twist, and just pull it out. So you have the two nuts, a few clips, and that side airbag will come out. The same thing is for the other side, as you can see guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do something like that. Please guys, subscribe to the channel for more help. Let us know if you need help with something, and see you guys next time.